Well guys, I made up my mind. I'm gonna tear into this second Suburban 10. I'm gonna rip this motor off because it just don't run half worth the shit. That broken head bolt there, so leaks exhaust out there. It's been leaking oil off the side of it too. See it? So this motor's pretty much junk, so somebody wants to drill it out and whatever, but I don't have the patience for that, so I'm gonna rip the motor off, so that way if I get the 10 horse spark going, put the 10 horse on right back on it. But if I'm gonna rip the coil off to put on that Super 12 over there in the back, so I can get that going. Take the seat off, put on that one too. So good thing is the gasketing screws are already loose, so I don't have to worry about it. Let's get both two trays or 2 bolts there in the back. This battery tray will come off. So yeah, just on both the clutch and whatnot right there. So all I gotta do is unbolt the motor. But alrighty guys, I just figured I'd do a quick update. So want to get set of 12 going pretty bad. I got paint on the way, so I want to get this one going so I can get this one painted and along with the rest of them. So not really sure if I want to paint this one or not. I mean, it's already been painted, so, but I don't know. More like I probably will, so. But alrighty guys, there you go.